This one's going to be a little bit more advanced. Start with an oval, divide it in half. Now let's find the eye line. Halfway from the eye line to the bottom is the nose line. I'm going to make a U. Halfway from the bottom of the nose to the chin is the mouth. Draw an oval for the chin and another oval for the whole mouth. Find the width of the nose. That will tell you where the inside of the eyes is going to be. And 2 circles for the eyes. Outline the eyebrows. I'm going to draw 2 circles for the cheekbones. Draw a line all the way down the cheekbone to the side of the muzzle. Now some indications for the lips, and draw the rest of the jaw. Draw circles beside the eyes. This will let you know where the skull changes direction. I'm going to make some indications for ears, and same thing with the hair. Now we can start with some details. I have individual tutorials for the eyes, nose, and mouth. I'm going to drop in some of the neck anatomy now. For shading, I'm not going to think about the lighting too much at this point. We're going to cover this in another tutorial. I hope that helps you with your placement. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.